Food time.
Food time. Hey guys, happy Friday. So we made it through another week. It's now Friday. We're so excited about that. Are we excited?
Oh, yes.
We're excited. So this is my mom. I think this is the first time you guys are ever meeting her. I don't even think you've been in a background of a video before. Oh, that's not true. She was in my harvest party vlog, briefly. You were in one clip. But today I want her to be in a foodie video, and here's why. So she got me into Subway Seafood Sensation sandwich. Best sub you will ever have. Problem is, Subway stopped selling it. And that's a problem. Yeah, we're both pretty bummed about it. So I went on my phone and I looked up a recipe, and I found one that looked fairly promising. So today we're gonna try and recreate it and see if we can get close. So it seems fairly simple. We just have to mix all of our ingredients together. Did I seriously not grab the spoon? Well, we're tethered together by the microphone.
Oh.
Hey, Dad. Thank you. I guess we'll just start cutting this open and adding it in. So I'll cut the first package if you want to pour it in. So the first thing is imitation lobster. And this is the chunk style, and it's 8 ounces. So, yep, I cut that enough. So if you want to pour that into the bowl, and I'll start cutting the next one. The next package is imitation crab meat. This one I got flake style, just to add a variety of textures. So there's that one.
Still frozen. You don't care, do you?
Well, that shouldn't be frozen. It was refrigerated. It's just so gelatinous. Gross. And then the last seafood that we're adding is 16 ounces of salad shrimp. So I'm gonna pour that in. Oh, those probably, there's a little bit of water there shouldn't have been probably.
Oh, well.
I'll put that over there. And I guess at this point we should probably mix this up and try to like break apart some of the gelatinous imitation stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so chunky.
I told ya.
It's not frozen though.
I know, but it looked like it.
Yeah. And then also this recipe, part of it is mayo, obviously. Like any kind of like sandwich salad you make is gonna have mayo. But this one only calls for 2 tablespoons, and there's so much seafood here, I feel like that's not gonna be enough. So
that's why I say I'd put more in it and do it for your taste.
Right.
Mom speaking.
Yeah. I mean, you have more experience than I do, so. This is the dead space I'm talking about, when you just have to do what you have to do, and you're not going to be talking the whole time.
Unless you want me to.
If you want to entertain them, by all means. Tell them a little about yourself.
Oh. No.
Tell me about how your life truly began when you finally gave birth to me. You're like, well, that's enough. She's the best. We'll stop now.
Yeah.
All right, that's still very chunky, but we're gonna go with it.
Chunky is good for you.
Is it good for you?
Yes.
All right. I just realized I also don't have a spoon for this, so we're just gonna squeeze it in. So, like I said, the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons, but we're just gonna do it to taste. So I'm just gonna give a squeeze and.
That's
there.
good.
Yeah, we'll start with that and see how that goes.
Yep. What's the rest of the ingredients, girl?
Well, okay.
You're slow.
Oh, hey, excuse me.
You're slow.
All right, next is a teaspoon of lemon juice. And then just it's supposed to be Mrs. Dash, but I got the Aldi alternative. So this is just just original like seasoning, you know, like table seasoning. I think I still have to break the seal.
Yep.
So the recipe doesn't say how much of this to use. Like it just says Mrs. Dash original flavor. So I'm assuming it's to taste. So.
I was gonna say enough.
That's Is that enough? Okay.
Enough.
Okay. And then a teaspoon of lemon juice. I don't know if this has a seal or not. I'm scared. It's gotta have a seal, right? Or maybe I've never used these before. Do I have to like poke a hole? Oh, I'm scared you're gonna get like lemon juice.
I don't want it on me. That's too big. You're gonna ruin it, girl. Did you did?
He's downstairs. We're not gonna bother him. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll figure it out. What? What happened to your scissors?
The girl. Now, if I would have known what the recipe called for, I would have
I almost got a real lemon. I almost did. Ooh, I got it. I think I got it. Now we're cooking with lemon.
Yeah.
That's probably good. Yeah. All right, we'll try that. And then as we go, we'll add more seasoning and lemon if we have to.
You guys are lucky. You're the ones that don't have to eat it.
Hey!
I can honestly say it looks good.
Yeah, I think it smells good. Yeah, I think it smells good.
Oh yeah, it's starting to smell good.
Do you want to try a little shrimp? And I'll try a shrimp. And we'll see if we need any more seasoning or anything.
Tastes like it needs something.
Maybe a little bit more lemon. Does it not taste tangy enough? You think it needs more table
now,
seasoning?
me would be mayonnaise. That's
mayo?
Me. Yeah, but that's
you want
me.
more mayo? We can add more.
That's me though.
I mean, your guess is as good as mine, so we can add more
Just
mayo.
a little bit. Don't tons of it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Is that good?
Yeah. Good enough. Good enough. Put it on my side.
Your side? There shouldn't be a side. This should be getting mixed up.
No.
You're like, my side's the one with all the flavor.
Yeah, right on. You do some stirring.
Okay. Okay, Mom.
That's what I had you grilled for.
Oh, for all your manual labor?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put this in the fridge, let it chill while we get the rest of the ingredients prepared.
Okay.
All right.
You just love getting my face in there, don't you? Something you'll have when Mom kicks the bucket.
Stop! What is wrong with you?
Dead air.
Oh my God. Sinking in 3, 2, 1. The after clap. Now we have to prepare all of our sandwich fixings, right? Is that what they say? Fixings?
Yep.
Got sandwich fixings?
And you get to do the crying.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not gonna cut a ton. Does Dad like red onion even?
He likes any kind of onions.
Okay. I don't know if Dad, I don't even know if he's picky about anything.
Your dad is not. Only thing your dad don't like is hot dogs boiled.
Boiled hot dogs, I know.
Boiled
I
hot
remember
dogs.
him complaining about it, so it must be pretty bad.
It is. And you know your mom loves boiled hot dogs.
Oh, I remember. I grew up on boiled hot dogs. I know.
But you know it's not from his
From his
ex. Used
Oh.
to give him hot dogs all the time.
Oh, for dinner.
Yeah.
Wait, do you want to pop the rings out?
I guess.
Okay, I'll keep cutting rings off.
I get the fun part.
Yeah. Did I even tell them? So this is red onion, if you couldn't tell. Red onion. And this
Yeah.
honestly tastes so good with the seafood. It's amazing. I'm not doing a very good job cutting this.
Onion's good on any sandwiches.
Oh, it is. Don't tell Jordan that, though. He hates onions.
I know. That's why I
He
said
hates
it. Yeah, we don't want this on there.
No, probably should have peeled this before I started cutting it.
Oh, that's all right. I'll pick off what I find on it. Give me something to do besides look down on,
Look pretty for the camera.
look down.
You're terrible. This is where I get my self-confidence issues from. I want you to know that. You're so mean to yourself.
That's not true, because I wouldn't be on this camera.
Okay. I mean, I got still glam shots of you. Like, I know. I know you know. Well, you're probably the reason I have self-deprecating humor.
Maybe.
All right.
Now this is better. It's thinner.
Yeah. Well, this knife is kind of crap. I should have grabbed a different one. I was expecting it to
I
be
thought you
sharper.
got
It
the
looked like it would be really sharp, but it's
Why
not.
didn't you get the Cutco? I have a
Well, I
knife.
did grab Cutco for
That's
the bread.
for the bread.
Yeah.
But not for the onion. I have one for onion too.
Oh, well, my absolute apologies.
You asked your mom. That's what. See, that's why you never learned. Because you never asked questions. You never, yeah.
Why would I when I already know everything?
Now, where do you get that from? That's not from your mom.
No, that's definitely Dad. All right, do you like bread butts?
No, your dad does.
Okay, we'll save him the bread butt. This is Italian bread. Smells great. It's still pretty soft though. How big a sandwich do you think he would want?
Well, bigger than mine.
Like that? Like that? Like that? Like that?
Come on, girls. Cut the ends off first, no. Well, cut right there. That's fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
You're confusing me. I'm so confused.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
All right. How big a sandwich do you want? Like that?
I don't want my bread that thick.
What do you mean that thick?
You're going to cut it in half?
Yeah, like
Okay.
Subway does it. I'm doing it like Subway.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, sorry. So like, yeah, it's going to be cut. I'll show you like this.
Okay.
So we're
Okay.
Well, this is Dad's sandwich, so if I mess it up, that's fine.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Okay. So how big a sandwich do you
Right
want?
there.
Right
Good.
there?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, you had to show me, girl.
Okay. Well, if you would ask questions, you would learn.
I know.
Live. And it's food time.
Sinking in 3, 2, 1. That doesn't help. It doesn't help. All right, guys. So we have all of our stuff prepared, and now I'm going to show you how we always used to order it at Subway. All right, Mom. Do you remember how you used to order it when you went in?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I
you'd
know.
ask for the seafood sensation.
Yeah.
And they'd be like, "Yep," and they'd like drop a bunch on your sandwich, right?
Yep.
Of course, this is really chunky. Like, this is chunkier than what they normally do, like what theirs normally was, so it's going to be a bit messy. So, all right, so they'd go ploop, and they'd plop it on your sandwich.
Flap it on.
Plop. Oh.
They don't do it like
Don't do
that.
it like that. Is that enough? You want more?
No, I don't want more.
Okay.
By the time I piece it together here, it's going to be plenty.
All right, and then they'd be like, "What cheese do you want?" And
Do you
you'd
want
be like,
cheese?
Provolone.
And I would say I don't want any.
Oh, you never used to get cheese on yours?
Nope.
Oh, that was something I added then.
Yeah.
So I would always ask for provolone, and I guess I'll use a whole one. I was gonna share half of one with you, but I'll just use.
But I'll eat half with you.
Are you sure?
Yep. Why
Okay.
not? Why not? Just be different today.
Okay. So then they would plop the provolone on there.
And put the little one on top.
Okay. And then they'd ask what veggies you wanted, and we'd always ask for the onion.
Tons of onions.
Tons of onions. So I'll let you serve your own onion. You put whatever onion you want, even if it's the whole bowl. I won't judge. I'll judge a little.
I need a little one for in the middle to cover my little shrimp up. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And then the last thing we would always ask for is what? And a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
So I read that Subway's oil is just a mixture of olive oil and canola oil. So that's what I did. I did a 50-50 mix. So I'll drizzle a little bit of oil, and you let me know when. Is that good? You want more?
A little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yep. That's enough.
Okay. It seems like it'd be gross. I always used to be so embarrassed ordering it like this. Because of course
really?
I was like a chubby girl. I'm still a chubby girl, but I would like go in and I'd be like, "I want my sub with oil, please." I would just squirt oil all over my sandwich. All right, now we close it up and we get to try this bad
Yeah,
boy.
right. Yeah, right. Mine's falling apart. How do you get your mouth around this big buddy?
Is it close?
Good.
That.
Except for the cheese.
Oh my gosh! Well, you can peel it off, and you didn't have to take it to begin with.
That's all right. I did it for you.
Aw, so sweet.
See, Mom was being nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. That better.
It's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close.
Mm-hmm.
I think personally I would do it without the shrimp. I think the shrimp is kind of weird. Or maybe I would chop the shrimp up so it's not like
Yeah.
real shrimp.
I would chop the shrimp up next time.
Maybe a little bit more mayo because I still feel like there's not quite.
Yeah, I know. Once you get...
Which, I mean, if you want, I can go grab the mayo. You can put more on your sandwich.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
We need something to drink. There's water in the refrigerator.
Okay. So
I don't have to do this.
you don't have to do what?
Any of it. She does it all.
Oh,
Yummy.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have a lot to edit later.
Yeah, especially me.
Oh, gosh, she's a ham.
She loves me though. Don't let her fool you.
I do. Are we ready to do an outro?
A what?
An outro.
What's that?
We gotta say bye to these people. We can't just leave them hanging and leave them to watch us eat.
You don't want them to watch us eat?
No, we're not gonna do a mukbang.
Okay, I guess we gotta say bye to you all. Bye.
All right, guys. Well, we can't just say bye because
Why
we're trying
not?
to build a career. So, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. So, I mean, definitely if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this week's recipe, I'm so sorry to hear that. Try again next week. It'll be something new. Actually, it'll probably be the video with Dad.
Yeah.
So you get to meet my dad next week. So be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yeah, and that being said, I'll see you the next time around.
Bye.